This is Kenya News Update today. What if I told you a man who lost his sight made sure over 500 people could see again? Coming up, you'll discover the legacy of a Ugandan hero and how a community turned tragedy into a miracle. Meet Isaac Kigozi, a man who spent 20 years in the United States only to return home with one mission: to give the gift of sight. He founded the Diaspora Care Global Initiative, but here's the twist. In January 2026, Isaac Kigozi passed away in his sleep. A sudden heart attack. The mission was over, or was it? His team made a decision. To honor him, they would do exactly what he would have done. They organized a free eye camp. For 2 days at Entera Health Center III in Kyankwanzi district, they opened the doors. And then something incredible happened. Over 500 people showed up. People with cataracts, people with pterygium. People who couldn't afford glasses or medicine. They were all treated for free. But here's what nobody's talking about. This wasn't just a one-time event. This was a continuation of a 7-year mission. Under Kigozi's leadership, since 2017, they've hosted 117 free eye camps. They've scanned 5,627 patients, distributed 2,750 pairs of spectacles, provided 1,885 free eye treatments, and successfully performed 2,000 cataract surgeries, even 3 corneal transplants. Why was this so personal for Kigozi? Here's the part that will blow your mind. Isaac Kigozi was once declared legally blind. He had a condition called keratoconus, but he got revolutionary treatment in the US. His sight was restored, and he believed there was no better gift. So he resolved to give that gift back to his fellow Ugandans. Neeraj Vishwakarma, the executive director, said despite the sudden death, they decided to honor him by furthering his initiatives. I know wherever he is now, he is happy that we are offering help in restoring sight of the vulnerable people. That's the power of one person's vision. Literally, but the impact goes deeper. This camp was a collaboration. Dr. Agarwals Eye Hospital, the Katungi Community Development Foundation, local health officials, they all came together. Michael Katungi appreciated Kigozi for his great contribution and passion for community work. Kathir KV from Dr. Agarwals Eye Hospital called him a man who dedicated so much to public service. So what does this mean for East Africa? It shows that legacy isn't about what you take, it's about what you leave behind. A man dies, but his mission gives sight to hundreds. It creates a controversy of hope. In a region often in the news for hardship, here's a story of pure service. Some might say it's just healthcare. Others would say it's a movement, but one question remains. If one man's vision can spark 117 eye camps, what could we all do together? This is Kenya News Update today. We started with a question. What if a man who lost his sight helped 500 people see? Now you know the answer. Isaac Kigozi's legacy is clear. Do you think this is the most powerful form of tribute? Share your thoughts in the comments. And subscribe for more stories of impact from across East Africa.